Hi everyone, in this video we'll see how to quickly create a walkthrough. So I'm using one of your projects. So I'm right now in a first floor plan view and I'm going to walk around the building. So to create a walkthrough, go to this default 3D view menu, go to the drop down, click on walkthrough, and as you see here, under the status bar, it says click to place walkthrough keyframes. So what it does is, you click, for instance, if I click here, it's going to tell me how I'm going to walk. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to walk around the building. Okay, so I'm going to walk here, and then I'm going to walk here, 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 here. And what it is doing, it is creating those keyframes. So it is taking, kind of a picture from that particular spot where I'm walking, and ultimately it's gonna take all these keyframes and combine them in an animation. That's what it is. So let's walk inside the building. So let's walk here, come this way, walk through this door here, okay, come out. I'm gonna just come out here. Can come back here. Okay, so once that is done, click on modify. So what we have done, we have created a pathway of our walk. Okay, however, we still have to change, because if I look at this walkthrough, this frame, this camera is looking here. You see this cone of vision, it's facing this way. We want to look at the building. So let's go and click on edit walkthrough. Okay, so what you have to do is you have to go to keyframe by keyframe. So right now this is the keyframe, that is the first one. So you see here you can change. So if you come here under this view cone, you can change the extent of this view cone by clicking and dragging this handle. So how far you want to see, and then you can change, this is the camera, you can change this view cone's directions. So if you want this camera, this view cone to view on towards the building, you want to do that, you can move it this way. Then you go to the next one and move it towards the building. So you're looking not away from the building but towards the building. So like this you can go and keep on changing this keyframe. See on the lookout, and inside is fine. I'm going back. So here I'm gonna look through the door. Look towards the door. Keep it natural. All I'm doing is I'm just modifying my keyframes. So I'm looking at the right target. So this is the most important part. It will take some time, but what you want to make sure that you're looking at the, look at your building when you're walking, so that you create a right walkthrough. And you probably would like to spend more time on this and do it more accurately, just to save your time, I'm just doing it quickly. You can create as many frames as you want. The only thing is your animation would be a little bit, the file, export file will be larger and it will take some time to render it. So once that is done, what we'll do is we will click yes, we have edited it, and then you want to again click on edit walkthrough and you want to play its path. So play it, and what's going to do is it's going to walk. You see that? It's walking with your cone of vision, how it's looking towards the building. Okay, so it's going to walk, and you can actually check this back if it is fine. Okay, let me escape. So you can check that. Okay, but once that is done, you want to open the walkthrough, and here it is. Okay, you want to extend it's through this handle, crop view. Okay, so we're looking at, if you want, you can change this rendering style to shaded. Okay, click no, then let's play it. So as you see now, it's playing those, it's walking on the path that you defined earlier. Okay, and it's capturing those keyframes, and then it's connecting those keyframes using the animation. Now we are entering the building to the main door, and we are entering to the lobby, inside the room, another room, and through the wall we are coming out and coming out of the building. So this is how you create a walkthrough. So once this is done, say yes. Now if you want to export this walkthrough as a video file, all you have to do is go to the Revit main menu, go to export, and if you go further down, there's image and animation. From here you select walkthrough, and here you see that you can select all frames, or if you just want to select a particular frame, let's say you don't want to export the entire walkthrough, and if you want to export just from frame 100 to 500, only that part, you can do that by doing that. So start at what frame and end at what frame. But let's select all frames. Right now it's frames 15 frames per second, and it's 20-second video, right? So it's 300 frames. But if you want to play it on a television screen or want to make it more smoother, you can do that. You can make it 30, but the only thing is you have to change the number of frames. So let's go back here, click on it, edit walkthrough, and you see on the option bar there is frame that is mentioned here. Click on that frame, and let's say you want to make it 30 frames per second, then it should be 600. Okay, and make uniform speed, click apply, click OK, and now it's 600. Go back to your export walkthrough, and here you can choose any of these options. The best option is rendering. It's going to take some time. So once you select that, click OK, and it's going to ask you where you want to save it. So you can specify. Okay, and it's going to take some time. So I'm just going to put it on desktop and click on save, and it's going to export it. So full frame uncompressed, and you can choose any compression ratio if you want to. Click OK, and it's gonna export it. So this is how you create a walkthrough and change it and export it. Thanks for watching.